find the integral of this. And so the integral is the antiderivative. You got to take the antiderivative. So how do we do that? Well, you know how to do the antiderivative. You add 1 to the power. Instead of subtracting 1, you add 1, and then you divide by that number. Plus, and then the anti of the second part. Same thing. You add 1 to the power, and then divide by that instead of multiplying by it. And then we're going to evaluate this new antiderivative function between the lower bound and upper bound, the -1 and the 3. So how does that work? Well, first you're going to plug in the upper bound. So we're going to start with the 3, and I'm going to plug in there and there for x, into the x spots. So what am I going to get? So we'll get 7/3 times 3 cubed plus 3/7 times 3 to the 7. There's a lot of 3's and 7's there. And then minus, and now we're going to take the lower bound and plug that in for x. 7/3 times -1 cubed plus 3/7 times -1 to the 7th. And I'm just going to go straight to Desmos, as this looks ugly. 7/3 times 3 cubed. Here we go. 7/3 times 3 cubed. So 7/3 times 3 cubed. 7/3 times 3 cubed. Plus 3/7 times 3 to the 7th. Plus 3/7 times 3 to the 7th. Minus. Get that right? Plus 3/7 times 3 to the 7th. Plus 3/7 times 3. So yeah, minus 7/3 times -1. I know that's just -1. So that'll just be -7/3. How about that? I'll just do that with myself. 7/3 times -1 is -7/3. Right? I'm talking about right here. 7/3 times -1 cubed is just -1. So that's -7/3. And this is negative also. This is going to be -3/7. Right? Because you have an odd power. It's going to come out negative. -3/7. -3/7. So subtract 3/7. And you don't need the closing parenthesis. There we go. There's the number. Is it a fraction? Yeah, you can do that fraction or that decimal, 1003.0476. Is that what they got? Yep, that's what they got. So that's how we do it. The integral is the anti-anti, and then plug in the upper bound minus plug in the lower bound. So there we go.